You ever sit down to study, fully serious this time, and somehow 12 minutes later you're watching a random video or reorganizing your notes like that was the real mission? And then you sit there thinking, why can't I just focus like a normal person? Here's the thing. It's probably not laziness, it's psychology. Most of us fall into one of a few patterns. Maybe you're the dopamine drifter, used to constant stimulation, so your brain panics when things get quiet. Maybe you're the overthinker, stuck deciding the perfect place to start. Maybe you're the sprinter, going all in for 20 minutes and then crashing. Or maybe you've quietly labeled yourself as bad at focusing, and now your behavior keeps proving it right. The Monk Mode protocol fixes this by working with your brain instead of fighting it. Shrink the goal to 2 calm 50-minute blocks. Decide exactly what you'll complete before starting. Put your phone in another room, not face down. Gone. Survive the first 10 messy minutes without judging yourself, and treat those 2 hours like a temporary identity shift. For the next 100 minutes, I'm disciplined. It won't feel cinematic. It'll feel a little boring, but that boredom, that's your brain stretching. Try one 50-minute block tonight, not tomorrow, tonight. You might realize you were never incapable of focus. You just needed the right system.